Hey there, tech enthusiast! Welcome to the YouTube GeekSpeak channel, your go-to source for everything: mobile phones, laptops, new technologies, gaming, and the latest technological trends. We're here to explore the world of cutting-edge tech together. Are you curious about the latest mobile phones, laptops, new technological gadgets, and games? Do you love staying in the loop with all things tech? You've come to the right place. On this channel, we'll dive deep into the exciting universe of technologies, mobile phones, laptops, games, and lots more. We'll tell you about the hottest gadgets, provide honest reviews, and share tips and tricks to make your tech life easier. We understand how overwhelming it can be to choose the perfect tech device. That's why we're here to help you make informed decisions. We'll break down the specs, compare different models, and give you the lowdown on what's worth your hard-earned money. But hold on, there's more. We'll also reveal incredible tech hacks and DIY projects you can try with your devices. From boosting your smartphone's battery life to enhancing your laptop's performance, we've got your back. And guess what? We won't stop there. We'll keep you in the loop with the latest tech news and trends so you'll always be ahead of the game. If you share our passion for tech, don't forget to click that subscribe button below. And ring that bell icon too, so you never miss our daily updates on the coolest tech gadgets and tips. We're building a community of tech enthusiasts here and want you to be a part of it. Share your thoughts, questions, and ideas in the comments section. We're here to listen and learn together. So, welcome to the YouTube GeekSpeak channel, where tech meets excitement. Get ready to embark on an incredible tech journey with us. Until next time, this is your YouTube GeekSpeak channel, signing off. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for your daily tech fix. Follow us on social media for even